which is a plastic mold injected carrier. It is opaque, but it's also, if you wanted to put LEDs inside of this, it would show up, especially if it was traveling through a clear tube. And these are also one of the more affordable carriers if you have to restock. If it gets damaged or something, you can afford one of these easily. I think it looks incredibly good and well designed with this aluminum polycarbonate terminal style, where you have a slider latch on the terminal. So you simply slide this up and that unlocks the door. There you go, you have the terminal. So it comes down, if you see here, it's resting on a rubber detent. And it's just an aerodynamic polished aluminum finish, polycarbonate door design. So that can mount to a wall. If you look at the back here, there's a spot for the optic attachment for an arrival signal. If you need to, you can lock out with a padlock, lock the slider latch if you don't want it being used during certain hours. But very heavy duty. This is what I would call like the cutting edge design in pneumatic tube systems. It's also the terminal that's used on the Kel 2020 product on Amazon. And then here you have the powder coated steel of the same body design. So you can get the powder coating in beige or black. This is the black powder coating. It's on the blower base. But same thing, slider latch opens up. You have the arrival landing bar. It's a soft delivery style, so it catches and absorbs some of the motion. And it's just very easy to use, very cutting edge. To fit underneath a cabinet or a surface, so it's a blower cabinet. The 4-inch air line fits directly inside the top. The terminal does not have to sit on top of the cabinet. I'm just showing you here where it does. This could go underneath a shelf, and you could have it elevated by a tube line to, say, a chest height or eye height, however you want the terminal positioned. And this is the send push button on the cabinet. It doesn't have to be located there either. It could be located on the tube line right next to the door. Like I said, if you put this in a clean room, this would be a really nice looking terminal design with the carrier, the telescoping carrier. It would definitely look good with an LED element. If you put LEDs around the top of this, it would be very cost effective, impressive carrier design. And right now we're in a shop, so you can't really tell, but if you open this up, I'll take this out here. You can look inside here. You see some of the designs of a air shifter valve, reversing motor. This is the shelf that controls the blower in the system. So it's not as simple. It's not as difficult, but you see like the char ester foam, sound dampening foam on the sides of basically the unit. That's what allows us to have one of the more quiet systems out there. And I just think you'll find it to be a great product, and hopefully fits the design that you're looking for the project.